Hi guys, so this is my case study 2, and I wanted to focus on assistive apps for children who are nonverbal. This is usually considered a barrier in academics, being that they cannot talk to the teacher and respond. So these assistive apps would be used in the classroom to help a nonverbal student communicate with everybody else. So the big apps that I found were actually under this Friendship Circle blog, and it shows all about the 14 special need Android apps on Google Play. They have been used for many things, and it even shows the icon next to it, which is over here. So for example, there are some that are pricey. There's like AAC Speech Buddy. There's also like Gabby Tabs for kids, Jab Talk, which are all free. There are 14 different apps on this one, and there's also ones that are special need apps that aren't specifically for nonverbal children. These ones say, like Autism X says that they encourage people with autism to recognize and express their emotions through its fun and easy to use interface. So really it's just games to help the student be on the same page as everybody else and be able to communicate within the classroom and thrive within the classroom. So these are the apps that I found, and these are the ones that I suggest. One of the ones that I would use would be the Gabby Tabs, which is very easy for children. I use it at my work as well. And then the Tap to Talk is pretty easy as well. So these are the apps that I recommend for nonverbal students within the classroom.